Welcome back. I am hanging out at La Tostaderia with Chef Fernando. This guy's got a story that you will love. Comes from Mexico, goes to Canada, opens a taqueria, comes down to the United States, opens a carnitas joint here in Grand Central Market, then goes to culinary school, elevates himself in the world of food, and opens up La Tostaderia.
Really fresh seafood, great ingredients, and they definitely take their time with every plate.
It's a cross between a great ceviche joint and a taco stand and a tostada stand. So he tells me that he makes a burger.
Patrona burger at the window.
The Patrona burger is delicious, combination of cheese and shrimp and aioli.
It's not your typical seafood burger, what you get in a lot of other restaurants.
It can't be beat, it's delicious.
He says if I don't love the burger, he's gonna buy free lunch for all my crew. I hate the burger.
Ah.
All right, what's first?
Okay, mango, red bell pepper, chives, and then
Let me guess, cilantro.
cilantro, exactly.
Can't believe your middle name's not cilantro.
Apple cider vinegar, salt, agave nectar.
Okay.
Avocados from the capital of the avocado, Michoacan.
You just drop Michoacan in as often as you can, don't you?
I love my steak.
I know you do.
So you just toss it, put
Okay.
all together.
All right, time for the burger?
Yeah. Wild Mexican shrimps.
Not frozen.
No frozen.
Okay.
Makes big difference.
Makes a huge difference.
Salt, pepper, butter. The bun also is Oaxaca cheese.
Oaxaca cheese is like jacked mozzarella.
Yeah.
That's gonna be kind of what actually holds this burger together.
Yeah.
It's like the duct tape in Mexican food.
Now we got the buns,
Okay?
chipotle aioli,
And before culinary school, he called that chipotle mayonnaise.
lettuce, tomato. Now we have our shrimp cook with the Oaxaca cheese melting. Onion. We're gonna use the avocado mango radish.
As much as I think I'm gonna love this, I'm still gonna tell you I hate it, so you gotta feed my crew.
Cheddar, potatoes. This is for the crunchiness. Done.
I haven't had to bust out the hunch in a while. This one might deserve it. I got good news and I got bad news.
Tell me.
Good news is that's fantastic. The bad news is the crew's hitting the vending machine. When you bite into it, you get the saltiness of the cheese, the texture of the cheese, the shrimps cook perfectly, and then all the accoutrement, the shredded lettuce, the chipotle mayo, the tomato, the raw onion, the phenomenal salsa with the mango and the avocado. I pride myself in my burgers. I'm known for my burgers. That right there, in my expectation level of burgers, that is about as high as they go.
Thank you.
Outstanding.
Thank you.
Patrona burger?
The bread is really moist. It's got some nice aioli sauce on it. It's really tasty.
You can tell the seafood, it's not frozen.
All these extra little toppings on it makes it the bomb.
You order the fish tacos out.
You come to a market like this, you stereotype that it's not that wow factor. Yeah. This is like high-end, fancy restaurant, elevated Mexican food.
Completely unexpected.
La Tostaderia, fresh as can be. It's everything that you need, basically.
I got some place for you. Take it home. And anytime when you see my place, you're gonna remember about me.
I won't forget you, my brother. You know I love this. That's awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
A really off-the-hook spin on bacon cheeseburgers. This is Dad's Kitchen.
Dad's burger? Enjoy.
You have to get the Dad's burger.
Unlike any other burger I've ever had.
The best part about it is the bacon and the blue cheese literally seared right into the burger.
3 Dad's burger, medium rare.
An amazing combination.
That's made it the top
You
seller.
always want to come back and have it again.
So when Julio Pates and Christine Collins bought the joint nearly 2 years ago,
All right, I got 2 Dad's burgers.
they made sure to keep it on the menu. So kitchen manager Luis Becerra could keep on cranking out more than 7,000 a year.
So juicy. Best burger in town.
Let's do the Dad's burger.
Okay,
Chop the bacon, small squares.
the bacon is going on top.
Yes.
Okay.
Gonna crust it on the burger.
Gonna crust it.
Yep. Make a little bit of the bacon. It's going with blue cheese.
Interesting.
People love bacon and blue cheese. 8 ounces.
So you're hoping that that all sticks together.
Yes.
You think you got it?
Yeah. Don't say anything.
What, is it quiet time right now? We don't want to scare it?
Concentration. There we go. That's the burger right there.
Who made this up?
I did.
This is your idea?
Yes.
That's awesome. Now what?
The Aleppo spread.
The
Aleppo chili spread. Yeah. Aleppo is the chili from Syria.
It tastes like hot paprika.
Yeah. We have roasted garlic. We need to brine it up.
And what are you going to do with the oil?
We gotta use it for the spread, actually.
Oh, it smells awesome.
A couple eggs,
Gonna work as some binder.
a little bit of salt, pepper, blend it up.
We're now putting in the garlic oil.
Aleppo pepper and lemon juice.
Good to crush you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Squeeze it, and that's it. It's Aleppo spread right there.
give me all that to go.
Take it.
Let's make the burger.
All right.
Oil it down. Bacon goes down first.
Yep.
Salt and pepper.
We need to use this press.
We got to make sure the bacon cooks all the way through.
Yeah.
Because if it doesn't cook all the way through...
And when you flip it, all the flavor come out.
Let's go.
Flip the burger.
There it is. Holy crustification. And it's just sitting there cooking in that bacon fat galore.
Burger bun.
He's so killer.
Here we go.
The bacon smashed on it. And you guys make your own fries too?
Yes, every morning. Let's put some spread.
Good fry, man.
Thank you.
Stand back, this will get messy. Drum roll, please. This is juice, dude. It's probably the juiciest burger you're gonna try. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the bounds, and this is out of bounds. This thing is righteous.
Thank you.
Dude, take a look here at how the bacon and the cheese have just melded. Killer burger. This is a cross between Hodad's and Squeeze In. I mean, this is up there at that level of burger greatness. Something so simple, done so right. Grand slam. All right, Hodad, this is the joint. How's the food?
Food's amazing, and the story is even better.
That's my kind of joint. This is the OB Noodle House.
Ocean Beach is a really small beach community. They're very proud of their identity.
This restaurant definitely fits it. 40+ taps of really good beer.
And what goes with beer? Of course, wings.
Spicy garlic wings.
The absolute best wings that I've ever had.
Okay, so what are we gonna make first?
We want to make the sauté sauces that we use for our garlic wings. Start by just turning up the fire.
Whoa!
It's pretty hot.
Can't wear a little hair care product and be around that. Okay, so hot oil.
Hot oil. Ground ginger. Okay. Into the hot oil. Garlic.
There we go.
Ground lemongrass.
Nice.
And then we got the ground onions. And then we stir this for about 40 minutes.
Who stands here for 40 minutes and stirs this? So now it's sauteed down?
Got our chili paste right here.
Okay.
Chili flake. Adding some heat right now.
Seriously?
You got the habanero.
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 I'll be jumping bullet.
Okay.
You be?
Habanero.
Habanero.
All right, guys. All right.
So what are you gonna put in?
All of it. Then we're bringing some more heat.
So hot.
Thai chili pepper.
Next up?
Peanut butter. Good old peanut butter. Hoisin sauce. Just give it a sweetness to it.
And a little color.
And then I'm gonna stir it.
How long is this gonna cook down?
Let it cook for an hour until the oil starts boiling. And then let it simmer and get all the flavor for a day or so.
This stays in there for a day?
Yep.
What are we gonna make next?
Wings. You gotta look at these suckers. We prefer to use the mid-thighs. We got some garlic, salt, pepper, sugar. Make sure we get all the wings in there. Now we add the chili oil sauté we just made.
Okay, so let them marinate for a day?
Yes, sir.
And drop it in the fryer. What temperature we're gonna cook at?
350.
350. All right, so the wings are done.
Now we put on the wok. My brother, Kyle, the wok master.
Okay, so hot oil.
Garlic. We're gonna put some pepper.
You ready?
Uh-huh. Some wings. Top of that, put a little seasoning, sugar, granulated garlic, and white pepper. And this one, some green onions. And that's it.
So nice little crisp, quick little saute.
Gonna be a little spicy, but let me know how you like it. There's some ranch. Garnish it with some cilantros.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
A little bit of heat, not too much. Good amount of spice to it, a little bit of sweet, just a little bit of the crispiness on the skin. They're tender, they're juicy, there's a lot of flavor, a lot of depth of flavor. I'm impressed. Tell me that wing is not the bomb.
Oh, that's excellent. Not too spicy on the outside, but just the right amount of heat. Really, really good wing.
Now, you know on Triple D, I love finding the old school joints. And boy, do I have one for you. A joint from 1901. So here I am on the east side of Bakersfield, California, right by the Southern Pacific Railroad. Now, from 1901 to 1935, this place was a lot of different joints. But since 1935, everybody in Bakersfield knows this place. This is the Pyrenees Cafe.
Pyrenees is a landmark.
The food here is incredible. Good flavors, made from scratch, right from home.
And right from the Basque tradition.
Ossobuco.
This old world menu has been a long-time staple here. So when Julie and Rod Crawford took over in 2014, they weren't about to change it. Basque food, is it hard to explain that to people in Bakersfield?
No, everybody in Bakersfield gets it. It's hard to explain to the rest of the world.
Traditionally, it is ethnic food that comes from the Basque region between France and Spain.
And French-born chef Gilbert Hernandez knows a thing or two about the Basque people.
It was the best sheepherder.
The best sheepherders.
Oh, yeah.
People would ask the Basque to come to the United States to raise sheep. These are poor people
Yes,
living
exactly.
in the hills.
Yes, with nothing, they used to make a meal.
So they have to become creative.
Yes.
And they use every part of the animal.
You can get everything from the pickled tongue to soup or whatever the specials are for the day.
Fried chicken ready.
They're the best at it. It's really kind of a mainstay.
It's not Southern fried chicken by any stretch of the imagination. And I think the garlic just makes it something different.
So what are we gonna make today, Chef?
Fried garlic chicken.
We're gonna fry the garlic or we're gonna fry the chicken?
And we're gonna fry the chicken.
Okay, let's go.
All right.
Little chickens.
Yes.
He just takes a knife right through. No question of where the joint is. That was a no lookie. Now you're showing off.
Now we're gonna season the chicken. Salt, black pepper, garlic powder, chicken base. And we're gonna put some fresh garlic.
Okay. A lot of garlic. Little olive oil?
Yes. You're welcome.
There we go. Perfect. Now, how long are we gonna let this marinate, Chef?
At least 2 hours.
At least 2 hours.
Yes. Then after, we're gonna put some buttermilk. And then after, we dredge it in the flour, seasoning flour, black pepper and salt.
That's it.
That's it.
But we're not going to the fryer. We're going to this?
Yes.
This is the Basque way of doing it because nobody in Pyrenees Mountains had. Okay, no. I like how he just takes his time, just nice and easy. And how long do we cook it?
15, 20 minutes.
And what comes with this, Chef?
This come with the green beans and French fries. There's the chicken.
Very nice. What's in the garlic sauce?
Fresh garlic with olive oil and a little bit butter and parsley. And here is your Basque garlic chicken.
The garlic on the outside is very strong, but the garlic and the flavor inside the chicken is what is really nice. It's tender, it's juicy, lots of flavor. The crust on the chicken is great. I have restaurants called Johnny Garlics. I have one in Bakersfield. But if I was gonna ever make fried garlic chicken, that would be the example. Outstanding.
The garlic just hits you right away as soon as you bite into it.
Probably don't want to have your first date after you eat it, but it's very, very good.
The best chicken that you'll ever have.
Even though it's rooted in humble beginnings.
Basque food is peasant food. Cuts of meat nobody wanted, and you had to figure out a way to make those meats flavorful and tasteful.
So let's say that you're 2 hours east of Los Angeles and an hour north of San Diego and 4 hours southwest of Las Vegas. Where does that have you? Right in the middle of the wine country of Temecula. And you're saying to yourself, I need a place to eat. Well, you gotta check this out. This is Hobo's Barbecue.
That is so good.
This place is just outstanding. It's the best barbecue I've had in Southern California.
All right, let's pull this.
Everyone's gonna tell you that Al is a great guy.
I mean, he would give anybody the shirt off his back.
Literally. Al Borda had mad success in the t-shirt business, and then his late wife, Holly, convinced him to open up a restaurant.
She loved the barbecue so much, she wanted to do a barbecue restaurant.
And that was it.
Holly loved Gorilla's barbecue.
Triple D joint. And you know Gorilla. You know the great Benny Lynn.
All because of you.
I've known Al for quite a while. You're a great fan of food. You tasted barbecue from all over the country.
Yes.
And this is what you put together, Hobo's.
It's a lot different than your average barbecue place.
What are we gonna make?
This is gonna be our house rub.
All right, let's get into it.
So we're gonna have raw sugar,
Brown sugar,
kosher salt, paprika, black pepper, turmeric for color, cocoa powder,
garlic.
cinnamon,
It's a lot of cinnamon, Al.
crazy like that, espresso, cumin.
Now, what are we gonna use this on?
Our brisket sandwiches, our big guy, our lumberjack.
A lumberjack sandwich is delicious.
It's got the brisket on it. It's got the potato salad.
It's a hearty sandwich.
Now, that's a big brisket.
It's certified Angus beef.
I mean, that's pretty high-end barbecue, buddy. It's got great fat, got great flavor. So we're gonna dry rub this?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna go to the Old Hickory Smoker.
We do 12 hours at 200 degrees.
Okay.
And then we crank it up to 275 for another 4 hours.
All right, so what are we making now, Big Al?
Potato salad dressing.
Okay.
Mayo, apple cider vinegar, black pepper,
There we go.
onion powder.
Okay, celery salt.
This is parsley.
Excellent.
Garlic powder, Dijon mustard.
It's a nice fortified mayo.
Cooked potatoes,
Boiled.
red bell pepper.
jalapenos?
Jalapenos, de-seeded and deveined, so they're not spicy. Cilantro, roasted garlic.
Nice call there.
Kosher salt, fresh black pepper. And then we finish it off with our house dressing.
All right. Nice looking brisket, nice bark. Look at this fat right here. That right there is where all that flavor is. That is really good.
We're gonna use thin slices.
A little bit easier to eat in a sandwich. So the potato salad.
Brisket, the house-made pickles, a little potato salad dressing, and sriracha for a little kick. That's it.
Did you just eat off my plate, Al?
A little bit.
Oh my goodness, are we gonna have a talk? I need a napkin. Oh, thanks, Ann. I get so much richness and good smoke from the brisket itself. I get a little bit of that spicy acid from the sriracha, and then I get to taste that pickle. And the contrast between the hot meat and the cold potato salad on the crispy bun all plays together really well. That's a lights out sandwich. I mean, really like a dynamite, legit sandwich.
Thank you
Well
very
done,
much, Chef.
The meat by itself is incredible. It's just really tender. I really like the potato salad. You get a whole bunch of flavor profiles while you're eating.
Sitting here with a UFC great. This is Dan Henderson and his daughter, Danny.
I've known Al for a long time. I love the sandwiches, and the pulled pork is awesome here, too.
Which is just one of the meats going into the lasagna. Wait a second. Lasagna at a barbecue joint.
I've never had lasagna like this before in my life.
It's like a meat pie. It's like the perfect combination of Italian lasagna and barbecue.
So we're brining chicken for what?
Barbecue lasagna.
Ow, we just did great. And now you're gonna make me lasagna?
Everyone seems to love it. It's very good.
We'll see.
Hot water.
So the sugar.
Kind of melt it down a little bit. Salt, fresh garlic.
Okay. Red chili flake, some thyme.
Cool the water down before the chicken goes in so it doesn't start to cook the chicken.
How long are you gonna let this brine?
24 hours.
Bring it out, dry rub it into the smoker, and how long is it gonna go in the smoker?
About 4 hours.
What temp?
225.
Shred it. And now we're gonna make barbecue lasagna.
Yes, we are.
Oh, that's gonna be good.
Put a little sauce on the bottom to keep it from sticking.
We got noodles that have been cooked off.
And we'll start building our layers. Do pulled pork first.
You think that's enough pork? I was kidding.
Yes. A little more sauce.
Okay. So we're gonna glue it all together with some cheese.
Another layer.
There you go.
A little sauce on it. Our second layer is gonna be the pulled chicken.
It has all my favorite food groups in it.
Top layer, spicy Cajun sausage.
That's been cooked and rendered down. A meal like this looks like you're gonna be feeding UFC fighters.
We decorated every one of these with initials, a couple hearts. We wrap it.
It's gonna go in the oven for an hour. I can't wait to see this.
There we go. I'll give you a normal size piece.
You got a ton of protein, good amount of cheese, and a lot of noodle. Al, buddy, I'm gonna tell you, it's exactly what you want. When you want some pasta, you want some barbecue, because that right there shouldn't work for a lot of reasons because of how big it is and how much flavor there is, but it is really good. You got enough meat in there, but not too much, just done in balance. That is true indulgence, dude. Well done.
It's richer and heartier and just has a really good flavor.
I didn't know what to expect eating barbecued lasagna, but it's phenomenal. It's really good.
If you want the best barbecue in town, you go to Hoboken.
Absolutely.
Enjoy, you guys.
Nicely done, buddy. You killed it.
Thank you very much.
I'm impressed.
That's an honor.
Proud of him, that's really good.
Thank you.